Hello everyone. Today here we have a JEE question on application of integrals. The question goes as the area of the region bounded by y minus x equals to 2 and x square equals to y is equal to. So we have been given two curves. You can observe the first curve which is y minus x equals to 2. In turn it can be written as what? Y equals to x plus 2. Now clearly it is a equation of a straight line. Am I correct? So if you need to plot, you can take few values and check. Say if I take x as 0, I'll get the value of y as 2, correct? If I take x as 1, I'll get the value of y as 3. If I take x as minus 1, I'll get the value of y as 1, okay? Similarly, if I take value of y as 0, I'll get x as minus 2. If I take y value as 1, okay? If I take here, it will be minus 1. If I take y value as minus 1, okay, y value as minus 1, x would be minus 3. Certain values you can just check in order to plot the graph, okay? Fine. So this is your first curve. Second curve is given as what? X square equals to y. Now if you clearly observe, it is in the form of x square equals to 4ay, which is a parabola opening along y-axis, correct? So we have to find the area of the region bounded between these two curves. So let us try to plot it because we need the ordinates also. Say this is x-axis, x dash, 0, that is origin, y and y dash, okay? Now, first x square equals to y is a parabola whose vertex is at the origin. Am I correct? So this is a parabola whose vertex is at the origin, that is x square equals to y. Fine. So this is our first one. Second, it is a straight line. Am I correct? So when x was minus 1, y was 1. When it was minus 3, it was minus 1. Okay. So if I start plotting this, this is the nature of the straight line you will get, which is y equals to x plus 2. Okay, fine. So now we can see that we have to find the area of the region bounded by these two curves. And which is that area? This is the area that is bounded by both the regions. Am I correct? So this area we have to find out. But how to find out this area? This from this point, okay? From this point to this point, it is under the blue line. That is under the straight line. But is it entirely under the straight line? No. Okay. How much portion you have to remove? The portion which is below the parabola. Correct? So that much we have to remove. But before that, we need the ordinates, correct? So this is point A and this is point B. Since these are the ordinates and these are the intersection points of both. So let us find the values of x, okay? Now what it says here, y is x square. Also what it says here, y is x plus 2. So if I equate x square equals to x plus 2 or x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0, it is a quadratic equation, of course. If I solve for this quadratic equation, the two roots I'm going to get is x minus 2 and x plus 1 equals to 0. So either x is equals to 2 or x is equals to minus 1. So here it is minus 1 and this point is going to be a point 2. Okay. Now also if you want to check along y-axis, you can check. So if x is minus 1, okay, say we have y equals to x square we have. So if x is minus 1 square becomes plus 1. So this point is minus 1 comma 1. And if x is 2, okay, so y becomes 2 square, that is 4. So this point is basically 2 comma 4. So now we have the graph from minus 1 to plus 1 and 2 to 4. That is only this portion we have to find out. So we have to find out the area of the region under the straight line minus area of the region under the parabola, correct? Therefore, the required region is from where to where? Minus 1 to 2, okay? Under the straight line. What is that? X plus 2 dx minus 1 to 2. Under the parabola, we have to remove it, correct? So this is x square. Now, if you just integrate this, now anyhow we have both the limits same only, so you can write it all together. This is x square by 2. Integration of 2 becomes 2x minus, anyhow the limits are same, so I'm going to write here together. This becomes x cube by 3 from where to where? Minus 1 to 2. Now if you put the upper limit, so upper limit will be 2, 4 by 2, this will be 4, and this will be 8 by 3, correct? And minus lower limit. So this is minus 1 square by 2 is 1 by 2. This will become minus 2 and this will become minus. Minus of minus becomes plus. So this is 1 by 3. Okay. So this is basically 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 8 by 3. And how much I'm going to get here? Minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay. And if you take the LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6, and if you solve for the question, okay. Sorry. Yes. So if you go on solving, I'll write here directly. If you solve and 3, 2, 3. Okay. The LCM is 6. So you are going to get the answer as 9 by 2 square units. Okay. If you solve further, this gives you the answer as 9 by 2. So which option is correct? Option C. Thank you.